Well, so good evening, all of you. Those who have taken test today. I am reviewing the English part of the test you have taken today. And I start with the question number 1. And question numbers may be different once you answered. Mohan is the man of obstinacy. So this is based on parts of speech. And parts of speech of this word is noun. Noun. And obstinate is adverb, adjective. So this obstinate means, obstinacy means nature to do something. Yes. Mute చేసుకోండి అమ్మా, ఎవరు అక్కడ మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి, మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి, డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతున్నారు, డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నారు, మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. మ్యూట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఎవరు, రైట్. సో obstinacy is noun form. It means to do something and not able to give up, మొండిగా ముందుకు వెళ్ళటం అన్నమాట. సో నాట్ కన్సిడరింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్, ప్రొసీడ్, ఆ మీనింగ్ తో ఉపయోగిస్తారు obstinacy, నౌన్ ఫామ్ అది. సో కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఫుడ్ వాజ్ స్పైసీ, he ate the food. And rewrite the sentence, and we need to put it in a complex form. He ate the food which was spicy. Now let us look at the question. Food was spicy, he ate it. So that here which refers to food, so it is complex sentence. And then which is a relative pronoun. Now coming to third question, syntax. What is meant by syntax? Syntax means word order. Word order is different from one language to another. For example, Telugu, our mother tongue, Telugu language, first comes subject, and next comes object, and finally verb. Ramudu adaviki vellan. When it comes to English, Rama went to forest. Subject, verb, object. That is popular SVO. This is the pattern of, syntax means an arrangement of words or phrases to form proper sentences. So that's about syntax. Coming to another question, what is the concept that involves objectives of teaching methods? And as all of you know, every unit has objectives to be met, objectives to be achieved. So every system has objectives to be achieved. And so when a program is implemented, and when a lesson is taught, when a unit is taught, when a subunit is taught, when a topic is taught, it is, and what is done at the end of the completion of unit, what is done? Evaluation is done. Means how far we have been successful, and what is to be done by the teacher for the student, how to modify his teaching learning strategies. So answer for that is evaluation. And now next is what are the vocabulary and structures, minimum vocabulary and words structures required for a student, a school leaving student, to build upon a language. That is 3000 words plus 275 basic structures of English. So English is divided into 275 structures. If we are competent in of these structures, definitely we can write and read and
Anantapuram valademo.
Yes.
బుక్కపట్నం ఏదో ఒక పట్నం. మార్నింగ్ జరిగింది కదా మీ అందరికి ఎగ్జామ్, నేను రాయలే. అది ఈరోజు ఇప్పుడు 8 PM కానీ లాంచ్ చేసినారు మీటింగ్. ఒకసారి జాయిన్
సారీ సార్
Hello.
మ్యూట్ చేసిన
ఎవరన్నా
ఎవరో సార్
పెన్ పేపర్ చదివే మరి ఆ పేపర్ అది లేదు
హాయ్ సార్ ఒకసారి మ్యూట్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి సార్ అందరిని సార్ మీది మ్యూట్ లో పడింది
Okay.
అందరికీ చెప్పండి సార్ ఒకసారి మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టుకోండి
అందరూ మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి so that our review won't be disturbed.
ఓకే సార్
Please, all of you mute your phones. And then 275 are the basic structures, and we are supposed to be taught and we are supposed to teach. See, if the 3000 frequent words and 275 words, we have knowledge of these, we can build language on these 3000 words and 275 structures. That's right answer. Next one is question on question tags. They are called also tag questions. I have never smoked and I have never seen, I have never visited America like this. So here, never seen is, I have never seen is a negative statement. It takes positive tag, have I. And then coming to subscription in letter writing, subscription is leave taking. It's also called leave taking. It is written at the on the outer part of the sentence. See, it is generally we write subscription yours faithfully and truly and obediently, and then signature of the sender is put there. So address of the sender, right? Now coming to lexical verbs. So lexical verbs means doing words, I mean action words. Here give is the answer. The remaining might is modal helping verb, and had and been are auxiliary verbs. So give is the lexical verb, means doing word, panini telipe padam. Next, coming to he is truly humble and brave man. So we are asked to write it correctly, or it can be written correctly as see, this is he is truly a humble and brave man. Answer is he is truly a humble and brave man. Next is about article. Question number 10 is on uses of article. Here, yesterday I bought an ISI product. So here ISI, I gives vowel sound, achu shabdam, and we can also take the example of he is an MSc student, he is an MSc graduate, he is an MTech student, he is an MLA, he is MP, he is an IAS officer. This is an RDT office, this is an RDT vehicle, he is an RDT officer. Like that, we can use an before singular countable nouns beginning with vowel sound, not the letter vowel. See, for example, SSC, here is there is no vowel, that is a consonant letter, but it is producing vowel sound, achu shabdam. Kabatti he is an SSC student. M is also a consonant, but it produces vowel sound. He is an MSc student, like that. Next, sequence of yes.
సార్ సార్ మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి
Yes. So this is based on comprehension based question. Comprehension is not to be taught, it has to be practiced. So number of exercises have to be done. Here DBCA is the answer. Yes. Coming to next question, and which follows in the following, which is not according to principles of language, which option is right in acquiring language? So here 4 options are given, and this option is right. learning is habit formation. Habit formation is first done by the parents. It is parents, first teachers who communicate with the students, children using sign language, especially mother tongue. So child is the first student, mother is first teacher to form the habit of speaking language. So learning is habit formation. Language learning is a habit formation. That is the right answer. And now coming to about, see, main principle of direct method. So there are so many methods of teaching English language. A direct method is one of them. And what is the main principle, important principle? The core principle of direct method is not vocabulary. See, this is sentence is the unit. This is the main principle and main principle of direct method of teaching English based on only one main principle, that is sentence is the unit. Now, next one is about direct indirect speech. Ram said, I have never been to Kashmir. See, friends, said is called reporting verb, and inverted commas lo unnatuvanti sentence direct speech antam. General ga direct speech lo unnatuvanti edaina tense, for example, I have never been to Kashmir is in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense ni sambandhita past tense lo change. That is basic rule. So answer is Ram said that he had never been to Kashmir. That is right answer, option number 4. Yes. Next question is about what are the the past participle of be. Be is an auxiliary verb and the remaining forms being and been. So being is the present participle, been is the past participle of be form. And coming to the next question, jealous. So jealous of your success. See, children are generally jealous of peer group members. So jealous follows of, that is based on a preposition. Now coming to the next question, Radha knows Bhanumati. Here, no, K-N-O-W, no, is a verb of mental activity. మనసుకు సంబంధించినటువంటి యాక్టివిటీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, remember, forget, agree, believe. These kind of verbs generally are not used in continuous tense along with no. No తో కూడా కలిపి కొన్ని verbs ఉన్నాయి మెంటల్ యాక్టివిటీకి సంబంధించి. ఆ verbs అన్ని కూడా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, I am loving India, wrong. I am forgetting your name, wrong. And I am remembering my school name. So these are all wrong uses. Grammatically, maybe structurally correct, grammatically wrong, meaningfully wrong. So Radha knows Bhanumati is right expression. Now coming to, they postponed picnic due to rains. And what is meant by due to? Due to another meaning question. So due to means on account of, to అనేటువంటి మీనింగ్ కూడా ఉంది. సో డ్యూ టు మీన్స్ ఆన్ అకౌంట్ ఆఫ్. ద స్కూల్స్ క్లోజ్డ్ డ్యూ టు pandemic situation, owing to pandemic situation. And so this is about due to. Answer is on account of. Now coming to child's ability to reproduce language. To reproduce language means to use language. So when can child reproduce language? When he understands or comprehends a given paragraph or given a lesson and lesson he was taught. So here it mainly depends upon exposure of language, exposure to language. I give you a live example. If we live in a locality where Urdu is spoken, definitely we get exposure to that language. Means it refers to contact or touch with language, and that exposure gives us opportunity to listen to language and then speak. And this kind of exercise is called exposure. Exposure is very, very important. And see, people living in cities have good exposure to language, especially English. And the students in class 2 towns like Anantapur, some towns, they have no exposure to language. So that is the difference. Now coming to Raju is an Indian doctor. Here, Indian is an adjective. And what does Indian refer to? Here, Indian refers to origin. Indian refers to origin. So that is about adjective. Next, coming to what is subordinate conjunction? Next question is on subordinate conjunction. LST is given like though, so, therefore, hence. And of these four, though is the subordinate condition. So subordinate condition actually used before a clause, a dependent clause like lest, since, if, as soon as, because, before, after. So these are all subordinate conjunctions. Next, the writer did not dispute with identical means same. So that is the, see, disputing means to say that something is incorrect, and what you are arguing is incorrect, what you are saying is untrue, and cheppedani dispute and. So here the writer did not argue with what is the subject that takes plural verb. So here there are 3 or 4 options, and the remaining economics, and each of them they take singular verb, whereas many of them are. So many of you have knowledge of DSC examination. Many of you have, I mean, you are using have after many of them have knowledge of DSC pattern. So many of you have taken DSC examination officially. See, this is called this is what we answer. Many of them, with many of them we use a plural verb. That is right option. And coming to the next question, I gave him a can of wine, and we are asked to put it into complex form. And see here the answer is I gave him a can which had I gave him can which had wine. So here which refers to can. So which is related to can. So it is a complex sentence. Now coming to next question, they are here with us. Here find adverb. ఇచ్చినటువంటి sentence లో adverb ఏది? See here adverb is here because it refers to place, and it also modifies the meaning of verb. Where are they? Here answers, if we put a question, where are they now? They are here with us. So that is here is adverb of place. Now coming to another question on letter writing. In formal or official letters, find out incorrect subscription, incorrect end. I mean, once we finish off the body of the letter, we write yours obediently, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and yours lovingly, yours truly, like this. And here the incorrect subscription is yours lovingly. So this is not used in formal and official letters. Generally yours we write generally yours truly, faithfully, and obediently, etc. And the remaining questions are based on comprehension. I mean 27 and 29, etc. And now one more question is left, that is what is correct if clause. if class, in if class, unfulfilled if class, unfulfilled condition. What is unfulfilled condition? Unfulfilled condition is సాధించలేని పనులు. ఏవైతే మనం చేయలేకుండా ఉన్నామో, మనం సాధించలేదో వాటిని ఇలా చెప్తాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డిఎస్సి ఒక 1 మార్క్ లో మిస్ అయింది అనుకోండి, దాన్ని ఎలా చెప్తాం మనము? ఇఫ్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ గాట్ 1 mark means more than I scored, I would have got selection. I would have been selected. So here is if I had lunch, I would not have been hungry. నేను లంచ్ చేసినింటిగిన నాకు ఆకలిగా ఉండేది కాదు. It means I have not taken lunch. So this is briefly about the test you have taken today. Okay, Sohail, review is over.
ఓకే సార్. సరే, వాళ్ళలో ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా అడగమని ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
So hello participants or viewers, if you have any doubt, you can post me, you can ask me.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, right.
రైట్.
End చేస్తామా?
ఓకే సార్. అదే సార్, మన ప్లాన్ గురించి ఒకసారి ఉన్నారు. 2 minutes. అదే మన ప్లాన్ గురించి సార్, మన షెడ్యూల్ గురించి
చెప్పండి.
ఒక 2 minutes.
Hello viewers. So Mr. Educator is conducting tests every day. So consulting experts, statewide experts and experienced teachers who have been working in the department for a long time, and reviews are conducted regularly. And since it is a pandemic time, we are not supposed to join institutes or hostels, and situation is very dangerous. We cannot go out. So make use of this opportunity, all of you, and without wasting time, you can update your knowledge and you can get a lot of practice and you can have interactive classes. So please give and please make use of this opportunity for your benefit. Okay, you can make use of this opportunity. Right, Sohail?
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్.
Right. Okay, close చేస్తామా?
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.